What's up, YouTube? Dub TV back with another video. And on today's video, we about to show you how to just upgrade your double din. I'm gonna go from this Pioneer to this Kenwood, to this nice Kenwood DDX376BT. Series XM, iHeartRadio, Pandora, Spotify, compatible with your iPhone. Yeah, buddy. That's about to look so sick in here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one out. It's hot outside. Nice day outside. Colorado weather. Nice and hot. But yeah, I'm gonna take this out and get started putting everything together, wiring it up inside the house. It's hot out here, man. And do you need tips on how to wire your aftermarket radio up? I'll leave the link in the description. I also have a video on that. But today is just a quick, simple how to upgrade. Just upgrading my double dins, switching them out. Let's go. Yep, so got that thing up in there. Look like it fits pretty cool. know, quick. Had to install the microphone with it. But yeah, it's pretty cool though. You know, got the iPod function, the Bluetooth audio, the radio, Spotify, Sirius, Pandora, rear view cam hookup, all that good stuff. But yeah, this is the Kenwood DDX376BT. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, just a quick swap out. Got rid of my old doubled in and put in the new one. Looking pretty cool. But yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe.